Vietnam Rio Olympics fast speed. Vietnam sports delegation is attending the 2016 Olympic Games in Brazil. On August 7th, Hoang Xuan Vinh, sports shooter, won gold medal in a shooting discipline. This is the first gold medal in the Olympic history of Vietnam. His performance also broke the Olympic record in the shooting discipline. Vietnamese fans are delighted with this result, because that is the highest achievement of Vietnam since 2000. Everyone shared his competition videos on social networks. The stories about his family and career are also concerned. In addition, Hoang Xuan Vinh also won silver medal at the other shooting disciplines. Let's congratulate Hoang Xuan Vinh and Vietnamese sports delegation.